Third floor. I'm not yet on third floor.
Ate ebya third floor tabyagala. Bekumide mu second floor.
Ale n'ebintu by'emyaka ebyo nnyigira ddala. By the way, third floor is, I don't know, tujite season 3.
Miriam is a good and close friend. Really, me I call her my partner in crime.
Another thing that interested me, by the way, abantu bonna be nasomanga nabo bansanyusanga.
Because of some issues and backgrounds we have passed through. Kituufu nimbye agana nenga amazima geego.
I'm happy Johnson. Nalabanga Johnson, but Johnson is not to be my friend. He was just a bad, but he's a partner in crime.
Miriam was my high school crush. I tried to make a move, one or two, but Miriam rejected all my offers then. But I'm glad she's now a little older. Chances are that any of my proposals may be accepted now.
I really enjoyed Mitianeses, but I had one friend, a great friend, Bamitanga Solomon Kutez. Mune friend wango yonga mwagala nnyo, but after nambulako.
She's a loving lady, caring friend, and very funny actually.
Miriam Nanyonjo carries my mother's name. That's one special thing. When Nyonyi saw, I take her in high regard in that aspect.
And I'm glad we are celebrating her today. She's someone that deserves it all. So I thought that the best thing we would give her today is to have time, spend time, get to catch up with a few lost time that we had then. So it's really been interesting to meet her after a very long time. I think it's coming to about 20 or 15 years.
Solomon yambulako, because it was the most interesting part in Mitianeses. That's why I'm bringing him first. But fortunately, olwaleero nzizeemu okulaba ku Solomon. Nankolera big surprise. Celebrating her birthday. I have a friend, omulala bamuyita Dave. Dave, you really surprised me.
She used to be very humble and calm, actually. And I think that made her a soft spot for many guys. That's what I think. But she's a very, very loving person, and she's an adorable heart.
But you people, I'm really so happy, and I don't know, it's so amazing to have friends like you, people who can remember you, people who can celebrate you, people who can help you put up your self-esteem. Friends there, you have to have people like the people I have around me.
What I remember mostly, beauty. She was beautiful. And the good thing, she has kept the beauty. Yeah, she has kept the beauty.
Miriam was a very polite lady, humble. She would walk and command so much respect. She's that one person you would confine in, like she would keep all your secrets.
We wish Miriam Nanyonjo the best of life.
To keep that spirit of togetherness and friendliness.
If I was a president, I would actually declare her birthday a public holiday so that everyone can get to celebrate Miriam.
I've accepted. But since I have strong men around me. I have Dave, I have Solo, I have Johnson, Konkshua. I have Tom, in his absence here.
Person, Miriam, may the good Lord bless you and your family, plus your husband. We are so happy for you. Keep being you and share with the world the person you are.
Byonna ebyagaana birina kugwera wano mu 3rd floor.
Omanyi moto mugimayo kutya nsonyi obuzira kitiibwa. So it has kept us together.
Taata wange mpozi ku birthday angulirayo keeke ey'olukumi n'ekicupa kya soda kubanga kyasobola, but it makes me so happy. Naye kati bino ebya lunch sibirabanga nako. So it's really amazing, and may God reward you abundantly. I'm really so touched. And I will revenge on you. See you there.